So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So according to today's caption, this is a challenge video. So this challenge is specifically because of this pandemic lockdown. तो बोर तो हो रहे थे, कुछ तो करने के लिए चाहिए था. तो आज जो चैलेंज हम लोग करने वाले हैं वो तुम बताएगी क्या? आओ इन्हीं से सुन लीजिए.
Oh no! हाय गाइस, तो आज हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं विस्पर चैलेंज. आपने बहुत लोगों को देखा होगा करते हुए. सो लेट्स बिगिन.
चलिए. सो अब जिन लोगों को विस्पर चैलेंज का मतलब नहीं पता है, माता रानी आप ही समझाइए.
ओके, सो इस चैलेंज में ये है कि हम लोग दोनों में से एक जन हेडफोन पहनेगा, उसमें बहुत लाउड म्यूजिक चलेगा और दूसरे पर्सन को उसको सेंटेंस गेस कराना है. और हम लोग एक एक करके करेंगे 5 बार. और हाँ, इसमें एक ट्विस्ट है जो मेरा भाई आपको बताएगा.
So basically this twist makes this challenge the most special. The twist is कि whoever gains the 5 points first and the person who loses have to squeeze this whole lemon. As you can see, this whole lemon in his or her mouth. तो हमने क्या किया, ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूम ना हो इसीलिए हमने पेपर में 5 से 6 सेंटेंस और लेटर्स लिख लिए हैं जिन लोगों को मतलब ताकि ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूम ना हो और टर्न बाय टर्न अपने चल सके. तो हु वुड गो फर्स्ट? वी विल डिसाइड विद द रॉक पेपर सिजर. ओके, रॉक पेपर सिजर. डैम, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट विन. ओके, you go first. Take those headphones and get your paper ready. No one is cheating guys, क्योंकि headphones का वॉल्यूम पूरा हाई है. So I'm playing the song now. You're deaf? You're deaf though? The volume is full I guess. ठीक है. My first sentence is currently based on this situation, COVID-19. Okay, ready? COVID-19. COVID.
Confidence.
COVID.
Overacting.
Pole.
Old. No.
COVID-19. हाँ.
COVID-19.
Yes.
बस.
Yes. That was for first round. That was damn easy.
Okay.
So I want easy too. It's okay. It's my turn.
Okay, no.
I'm deaf.
ओके, सो मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड में मैं इसका इजी की हूँ. तो फर्स्ट राउंड में मैं इसको बोलूँगी इंडिया इज ग्रेट. सो चलिए. इंडिया
लीला.
इंडिया.
ये क्या?
इंडिया इज ग्रेट. इंडिया.
Please break it.
ओके. इंडिया.
What? India is
great. Great.
India is
Great.
independent.
Great.
India is
Great.
literate.
Great.
Beautiful.
Great.
Late.
Great.
India is
Great.
late.
Great.
India is
Great.
I'm not getting it.
Great.
India is
Great.
late.
G.
Chindi.
क्या? Great.
India is
Great.
You are just moving your tongue.
No.
I'm not
Great.
getting it. India is
Great.
literate.
Great.
illiterate.
Great.
India is
Great.
something
Great.
like late.
Great.
India is literate.
No.
India is. Say it again one last time.
India is great.
India is.
Great.
India is.
Great.
Wait, the song. Wait a second. Okay.
Great.
Say the last word. India is
Great. Great.
great. India is great. Got it.
हाँ इसका टाइम लग गया.
But you choose very difficult words for this one.
इधर difficult क्या है?
Okay, you go.
Okay.
Now my turn.
Yeah.
So I wrote this one as for the controversy going right now, which is YouTube versus TikTok. So the sentence is YouTube versus TikTok. That's damn easy, I guess. Let's see what's with her. Ready? YouTube versus TikTok. YouTube versus TikTok.
YouTube versus TikTok.
I'm giving her damn easy.
Okay, next week. Chill.
और easy का बात नहीं है. I'm pronouncing it very well. You are like doing.
अरे.
That's.
Feno.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Wait. What's the score? 1-1.
Yeah.
1-1.
हो गया? नहीं. 2-1.
Yeah, this is my second one. Okay.
Okay. So मैं इसको बोलूँगी I love mangoes. मैं इसमें भी लिखा हुआ है I love mangoes. I love
Love.
mangoes.
I love.
Mangoes.
I love
Mangoes.
macaroni. I love macaroni.
Mangoes.
I love
Mangoes.
mangoes. I love mangoes. Yeah, I do love mangoes. Is it? That's it now?
Yeah.
Okay, 2-2. Okay, it's round 3, guys. The score is.
लगाऊं?
Yeah. Put that on. Don't cheat. I'll just. Okay, so the third one is. Can you make me some pasta? So I requested her today. Yeah, but that is based on real fact. I requested her today that can you make me some pasta, because she makes a good pasta. So let's ask. Ready?
Ready.
Can you make me some pasta? Can.
Light.
Can.
Night.
Can. Can.
Night.
Can.
High.
Can.
Tight.
Can you? Can.
Light.
Can. C for can. C.
Sanitizer.
Alphabet C. C.
C.
हाँ, can.
C है.
C से word है can.
Can.
हाँ, can. You
You.
make
Make.
me some pasta.
Pizza and pasta.
No. Can you make me some pasta?
Can you make pizza and pasta? Can you make?
हाँ, can you make me some pasta?
गाना खत्म हो गया.
ठीक है? Make me some pasta.
Make
getting it?
नहीं आता.
नहीं आता. I'm giving you too much time.
Okay. मेरे को समझ है मैक्रोनी.
Can you make me some pasta? Pizza, pasta.
एक चलो.
Okay, so it's what? What's the score? 3-2. 3-2 or no. What is it? 3-2. Yeah. We both were same. I got this one. 3-2 or 4-2?
4-2 अबे 3 rounds
3-2.
रहते हैं.
Okay.
हाँ.
So it's my turn for 3. Okay.
अब मैं इसको बताती हूँ. तो अब मैं बोलूंगी नाइल इज द लार्जेस्ट रिवर. ठीक है. नाइल.
10.
नाइल. नाइल.
Land.
नाइल. नाइल.
Is that the first word?
नाइल.
Can.
नाइल.
Land.
नहीं.
Land.
No.
Fan.
No. Nail.
2 hours later.
This would be our final round. The last sentence. So she would go this time and then I'll go. So who loses this one have to accept the challenge with the squeezing lemon in the mouth. So let's go with that.
हो गया.
हो गया? Okay? Okay. So I have last two sentences in my mind. They are like the first one is you are Nandu Bide and another is do you like makeup? So both of them are very easy, I guess. So I would go with do you like makeup? Okay. So let's see that she could guess this or not. Okay. Ready?
Ready. बोलो.
Do you like makeup?
You.
Do you like makeup?
You. Two.
Do.
Q.
Do you like makeup?
You like pineapple.
Do you like makeup?
What was that?
Do you like makeup?
You like.
Do you like makeup?
धीरे धीरे बोल.
Do you like?
You like.
हाँ.
You.
You के पहले. You के पहले do.
Two.
Do.
Q.
Do.
Who.
Do you like makeup? Do you like makeup? Do you like makeup?
You does.
The first word.
हाँ. एक.
नहीं. Do.
मैं.
No. Do this.
You. एक से गाना खत्म हो गया.
Okay. Do.
Lu.
Do this.
I give up.
Okay.
Okay, बता तो था क्या?
Do you like makeup? You are missing the do, man. What's wrong with you? Okay, so this is the final round. I'm turning on it. So let's go with your last sentence. And who would lose this time is gonna accept the challenge, you know?
ये पूरा लेना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, be ready with the lemon.
चालू करूँ?
Yeah, go.
ज़्यादा हो रहा है इसका. तो
Yeah, ready. Do it fast.
हम लोग बोलते हैं इसको कोई इजी सा ही देते हैं. तो ओके. Rose
Rose
is
Rose is okay. Beautiful.
मेरे को नहीं खेलना.
Rose is beautiful.
हाँ.
I won the match. This is first official. So this is the part where we come to know the truth that our sister has lost. Okay. Now squeeze the lemon.
अरे यार.
Show our public. You have to squeeze it.
मैं एक साथ मुंह में ले लूँ.
No, squeeze it. Squeeze the juice, you know.
Oh my god.
Please do it fast. We don't have that much time. What? You have to. Why? अबे गिरा क्यों रही है? मेरे हाथ पे गिरा रही है. Do it at once. Once. Close your eyes and do it. Yeah. Did you did that? हो गया? हो गया? Oh my God! She did this. Damn. Okay. So basically, this time I won the challenge. Hope you like the video. Come here. We have to give the ending. Don't go and wash your hands.
So अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, give it a like, subscribe करो, share करो, comment करो और
Bye. Bye. And if you do not like this video, please give it a comment or I would prefer give a thumbs down. आप unlike कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप comment जरूर करो कि what should we add in our video, what challenges we should do more.
और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हम लोग दोनों एक साथ करते हैं तो प्लीज कमेंट डाउन और मेल एक लाइक कर दीजिए.
तुम्हारे लिए नहीं, वीडियो के लिए. Okay, let's see you guys. Bye.